Hello, this is Amy Tremblay, and I'm doing my introduction for my 2 graduate classes. I am so happy to be here in class and to be learning some new things. My name is Amy Tremblay. I'm an RN, Master's Prepared. I'm a Community Health Clinical Nurse Specialist, and I'm also a certified childbirth educator. I'm an associate professor at the University of Alaska, Anchorage in the School of Nursing. I have been in nursing for about 27 years. My experience is I'm a nurse educator for undergrads. I am a specialist in OBGYN, L&D. I'm a doula, a certified childbirth educator. I have previous experience as a trauma nurse 1, a surgical step-down nurse, bariatric nursing, GI step-down. I also did some time as geriatric nursing care, long-term care, and an Alzheimer's specialist. I have been a home health companion. I also am a nurse planner for the Alaska Nurses Association, and I started my career as a certified nursing assistant. Just a little tidbit on where I started. My family and origin story is I'm married for 20 years. I have 2 children, Ian, who's 20 years of age, and Zach, who's 17 years of age. I was born in Chicago, Illinois, raised in rural Wisconsin on a sustainability farm, which basically was that if we didn't grow it or trade for it, we didn't have it. I went to college in Florida and Georgia, and I currently live in Alaska. I've been living there since 2011. What are my passions and what drew me to this course? My passions are taking care of my family, teaching OB nursing and teaching childbirth, being an advocate in my community. I do speak out to legislature for Planned Parenthood and for nursing and for our Affordable Care Act. I love learning new ways to teach. I love writing CEs for nursing courses. I love going to church. And when I'm not doing those crazy things, I love painting, hiking, bicycling, kayaking. I love to cook, but I'm not very good at it. I love traveling Alaska and visiting my family in the lower 48. What drew me to this course is I want to learn what's new in nursing education and refresh my skills and understanding and teaching, learning, and course development, as well as program and curriculum development. I want to be that person who's at those meetings going, that's a great idea, or presenting those great ideas. I'm also taking these courses to kind of get myself back into the study mode because I would like to go for my PhD in education and leadership starting this fall. I can't wait to meet everybody, and I'm excited to be part of the class. Thank you.